Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to install hood risers on a Sentra. So this probably works for any studded hood. So basically you need these to start off. These are coupling nuts and they're M8 by 125. So I have a link to these below. Basically they're cheap off Amazon. For a pack of 4 it's like $8, so it's not too bad. Anyways, you'll need basically all of these you'll need 4 of. So you'll need 4 washers just about this size. And again, it's M8 by 125, so all the hardware, the nuts and everything will be M8 by 125. So you definitely need these. And this goes right on first, right on the stud. So what this does is it prevents the coupling nut from shoving the stud up into the hood. So you'll need to put this washer on to stop this from basically plunging itself into your hood. So that goes on first. Alright, then we'll get the other washer on and the other coupling nut. Okay, make sure those are tight. And then pull this guy up. And then on this one, I basically just have a, it looks like it's just over a 1/2 inch bolt with a nut and then 2 small washers, and that one goes right on the end. So this one goes on the bottom one. So then I got, this looks like it's a 1/2 inch bolt with a nut on it. And then that just goes on the front one. And that is that. So you basically just replicate this on the other side, and just like so. And you should be good.